Hi Adam, so here is a quick demo on how I would measure aggregate heaps and measure the volumes of them. I don't have an exact aggregate heap, but I'm going to show you something which will give you the idea and show you that it can be done. So this is just a field that I surveyed for a customer with barn and hedges, etc. On the top there you can see all the camera positions I took to create this 3D model. Let's switch them off. So I am going to use just one of these bushes as an example, but you'll get the idea. We'll switch to two-dimensional view, and this will give us an orthophoto of the site. I appreciate this is not an aggregate heap. We'll click on this measurement tool, create new measurement, and then I'm going to put the points around as though this was an aggregate pile. You get the idea. I can put as many points as I like, and each one of these points has an X, Y and Z coordinate, and this is how it calculates everything above the floor level of these points. So finish. If I click on this, it tells me the path distance and the area, and if I click on finish measurement, it's computing the volume as it's doing its calculation. Here you go, volume 5.44 cubic meters. And it's as simple as that. 5.44 cubic meters. Now, if I turn to the surface model, you can see this gives you a pictorial view, and I can enhance that even further by moving in these parameters here. Just to make this a bit clearer. You can see there the difference in colour relates to the difference in height. There's obviously a lot more to this software, but if you have any questions, just ask.